Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to purchase a dedicated IP address with NordVPN. A dedicated IP means the address is assigned only to you, not shared with other users. This can help reduce CAPTCHA requests, improve access to certain services, and provide a more stable connection overall. Quick reminder before we begin. If you don't already have NordVPN, there's a special discount link in the description offering 73% off plus 3 free months, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're new to NordVPN, you can add a dedicated IP during checkout. Simply go to the pricing page, choose your subscription plan, and under Extra Services, select Dedicated IP before completing your purchase. After that, you'll set your dedicated IP location inside your Nord account dashboard. If you already have an active NordVPN subscription, you can add a dedicated IP through your Nord account. Log in, open the NordVPN section, and select Get Dedicated IP. From there, choose your plan, complete the payment, and set your IP location directly in the dashboard. You can also purchase a dedicated IP from the NordVPN app on Windows. Open the app, go to the Specialty Servers tab, and select Dedicated IP. Click Buy. Dedicated IP, and you'll be redirected to your Nord account to finish the purchase. On macOS, the process is similar if you installed NordVPN from the official website. Scroll to Specialty Servers, select Dedicated IP, and click Get Dedicated IP. You'll then complete the purchase through your Nord account. Once your dedicated IP is purchased, you'll manage and activate it from your Nord account dashboard. Activation can take up to 3 business days, and the subscription begins on the purchase date. Also keep in mind that dedicated IPs may not work smoothly in countries with internet restrictions, so it's a good idea to check NordVPN's manual setup guides if you're traveling to those regions. You can purchase more than one dedicated IP if needed, but remember that NordVPN accounts are limited to 10 simultaneous connections. If you need help managing multiple IPs, NordVPN's support team can assist with transferring them to your main account. And that's it. Purchasing a NordVPN dedicated IP is straightforward, whether you're a new or existing user. Just choose your plan, add the dedicated IP, and set it up in your account. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get 73% off plus 3 free months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.